Alright, we're going to take some notes on fractions being treated as a division problem. First, add it to your table of contents. For me, that's page 20. Remember that as we go, you can pause if ever I'm going too fast. I'm going to flip to my page 20 now. I'm also going to title this Fractions as Division. The date that I'm writing this is the date that you should be writing this is 3/6/25. That is Thursday's date. Okay, we have already done this in class together, but we didn't have time to take notes on it. Remember that you're allowed to pause as we go. One of the big realizations we came to is that first we could set up a division problem using the language of division. The dividend comes first. It is divided by the divisor. The divisor has the job of dividing. What we recognized is, after several problems, that the dividend becomes the numerator. And the divisor becomes the denominator. So let's see that in action. Here's the example we used. Eight friends are going to the movies. They plan to share 3 buckets of popcorn. How much popcorn will each friend get? So first, what do we know? Well, we know that there are 8 friends. We also know that there are 3 buckets of popcorn. We also know that they plan to share. So we should ask ourselves, what's being shared? Are the friends being shared, or the buckets of popcorn? The buckets of popcorn are being shared. How much will each friend get? So we should say that we're going to do popcorn divided, popcorn divided by friends. That means that we're doing 3 divided by 8. Now, 3 cannot fit into 8 cannot fit into 3 an equal number of times. What we found by drawing that is that we can represent 3 on the numerator and 8 on the denominator, because the division means fractions. Fractions means division. So our answer would be 3/8. Now we should check this. What does 3/8 mean? It means that each friend gets 3/8 of a bucket of popcorn. You should notice that I said 3/8 of a bucket. I didn't just say 3/8 of popcorn. There was a measurement in this problem. Right here we have 3 buckets of popcorn. So I wasn't asked for the fraction or the proportion of the total amount. I was asked for how much. So that would be 3/8 of a bucket of popcorn. Here's something we can keep in mind to clarify that fractions can be treated as division. The division symbol represents a fraction. If we write the division symbol out, we have a bar in the middle, something on top, and something on bottom. That's just like how we have a bar in the middle of a fraction, how we have the numerator on top, and the denominator on bottom. So in summary, a division problem can be represented in a fraction. 3 divided by 8 can be represented as 3/8. This is true for any fraction for any division problem. 4 divided by 2 can be represented as 4/2. 16 divided by 5 can be represented as 16/5. And 2 divided by 7 can be represented as 2/7. Every division problem can be made into a fraction. Take the time to make sure you have these notes and to back up the video if you need to.